Very good afternoon, dear students of Standard 7. Here again I have came with History and Civics subject of lesson number 6. Okay, here I will give you the notes of lesson number 6 from your history textbook. That is conflict with the Mughals. ठीक है ना, इसका नोट्स आपको मैं दे दूंगी. MCQ questions, question answers, answer in one sentence, and there will be the assignment for you which you have to search from the textbook. You have to read basically you have to read the textbook first and then you have to search it and note it down. Okay, so let's get started now. Now this is the MCQ question. Okay, this is the MCQ questions which you have to write down. Now select the appropriate alternative. आपको alternative select करना है, जिसको हम MCQ questions बोलते हैं, multi choice question. Now what is the first one? Who offered a strong resistance to the army of Seste Khan while defending fort at Chakan? And the answer is Fironzgi Narsalla. This is the answer. There are 4 options. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शंस है. यहाँ में से इसमें से एक ऑप्शन आपको टिक मार्क करना है. दैट विल बी द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन. Who died a hero's death while fighting a Mughal at Purandar? So the answer is ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है फिरोंजी नरसल्ला, यशजी कंग, मुरारबाजी देशपांडे and Baji Prabhu Deshpande. So answer is C1. It's Murarbaji Deshpande. Okay. Now third one. Who incurred the displeasure of Aurangzeb and was transferred to Bengal? Option is Seste Khan, Diler Khan, Jai Singh and Daud Khan. So answer is Seste Khan. आंसर क्या है? Seste Khan. Next, where did the coronation of Shivaji Maharaj take place? राजगढ़, रायगढ़, प्रतापगढ़ और जिंजी. So any guess? It's रायगढ़. Next, who crowned Shivaji Maharaj at the coronation? Coronation के वक्त उनको क्राउन किसने किया था? It's रामदास स्वामी, वीरमाता जीजाबाई, शाहजी राजे, गागाभर. याद है हमने 4th स्टैंडर्ड में ये चीज़ पढ़ा था, इवन 5th में भी पढ़ा था कि उन्होंने 7 रिवर्स का पानी एक गोल्डन वेसल्स में लेके उनका कोरोनेशन किया गया. तो हु डिड दैट? इट्स गागाभट्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन. What was started as a symbol of sovereignty? New coinage, Rajya Abhishek Shakha, Military Academy or Cavalry? So the answer is Rajya Abhishek Shakha. Next, said that it was mean achievement by the Maratha king to become such a great Chhatrapati? Who said it? It's Sabashad. Next, when did coronation of Shivaji Maharaj take place? So the answer is 6th June 1674. Now the 9th one. With whom did Shivaji Maharaj enter into the Treaty of Friendship? Answer is Qutub Shah. And the 10th one is, what did Shivaji Maharaj pass away at Raigad Fort? When did Shivaji Maharaj pass away at Raigad Fort? So the answer is 3rd April 1680. Okay. So these are the MCQ questions. Now answer the following question in one sentence. Okay, this is your question number 2. First one MCQ questions था, ये second one है answer in one sentence. Who was entrusted the responsibility of looking after the conquered territory of a south? Who was entrusted the responsibility of looking after the conquered territory in the south? Answer is Raghunath Narayan Henamte was entrusted the responsibilities of looking after the conquered territory in the south. Next, who was a ruler of Tanjavur? So the answer is Venkoji Raje, the half brother of Shivaji Maharaj, was a ruler of Tanjavur. What was inscribed at the horn of a Shivrai? The legend Shri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati was inscribed on the horn and the Shivrai. Which word did all royal correspondence Rajpatra carry after the coronation? Answer is after the coronation, all royal correspondence Rajpatra carried a word Kshatriya Kulavantansa. It's Kshatriya Kulavantansa. Okay. Shri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. What did the Shivaji Maharaj? How did the Shivaji Maharaj became the founder of New Era? Answer is Shivaji Maharaj became the founder of the new era by starting Rajya Abhishek Shakha after his coronation. How did Shivaji Maharaj teach a lesson to a Mughal for the How did Shivaji Maharaj teach the lesson of a Mughal to the ravage caused by Sestre Khan? Shivaji Maharaj taught a Mughal for the ravage caused by Shaiste Khan by a successful attack of a Mughal party and big trade center of Surat. Okay. Now here are to give reason which you have to write it down. Shivaji Maharaj entered into a treaty of Purandar. And second one, Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughals. Okay. So first one, the answer is the huge army of Diler Khan had to ravage the territory of Swaraj. Second point, Murarbaji Deshpande died a hero's death while defending यानी लड़ाई के वक्त, ठीक है, पुरंदर. Third one, his subject suffered great loss due to the conflict with the Mughals. And fourth one, considering the seriousness of the situation, Shivaji Maharaj entered into the treaty of Purandar. Now next one, Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughal. So the answer is Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughal because, first point, he wanted to recapture the fort and territories given to the Mughal as per the treaty of Purandar. Second one, he wanted to destabilize the Mughal rule in the Deccan by invading territories under their control. Okay, these are the two answers which you have to write, note it down. Now here are the few questions which you have to find out and you have to write on your own. Okay, this is an assignment for you. Who became the founder of new era in the medieval India? Second, name two ancient coin. Name the first capital of Shivaji Maharaj. Name the second capital of Shivaji Maharaj. How old was Shivaji Maharaj at the time of his death? How did Shivaji Maharaj stress the importance of one's own language in the administration of the state? Who was Venkoji? So this is your assignment for this lesson. Okay students, you have to note it down and you have to write the assignment in the foolscape paper. Okay, till then, thank you.